Hi. This is Rakshpul. Today I will discuss in detail about Samsung Galaxy A14 phone in front of you, and let's talk about the phone in detail. Samsung Galaxy A14, quad 64 megapixel. Cameras, 6 GB RAM, and a 6000 mAh battery. Samsung is the most popular smartphone brand worldwide. Recently, the Korean brand plans to launch the next flagship of Samsung Galaxy A14. It will come with a premium design, impressive glasses, and the latest technology. The Samsung Authority launched this smartphone very soon. Samsung Galaxy A14 features network technology, 5G. SIM, dual nano SIM. Display, 6.5-inch Super AMOLED, which is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass. Processor, Mediatek Helio P35 5G. Operating system, Android 12. Memory, 4/6 of a GB RAM and 64 128ths of a GB ROM. Camera, quad 64 megapixel plus 5 megapixel, plus 2 megapixel, NBSP, rear cameras and a 12MP front camera. Battery, Li polymer 6000 mAh non-removable. Sensor, fingerprint, Face ID, accelerometer, gyro, proximity, compass, barometer. Fast battery charging, 33 watts quick charger. Wireless charging supported. USB 4.0. IP69 certified. Audio jack, 3.5 mm. In terms of cost, the Samsung Galaxy A14 5G price starts from USD $349, 26,718 rupees. Country-based changes can be made at any time depending on government tax and others. So, you can see different prices for your country. Thanks for watching video.